There are over 60,000 species of wood, and almost every single one of those has something that makes it different from the others. When looking around at all the species of wood and how beautiful they are, you can't help but give glory to the Creator. I love putting wood on the lathe and turning it down, mainly because there's nothing like taking the wood away to make an object. I like putting wood together to make an object, but when you take it away, there's something enjoyable about that. I also like it when you have your blank and you see the wood on the outside, but then when you turn it down, it's usually different than it was on the outside, and I really like that because it's always a surprise to me what it's like and what it's going to look like. I love working with wood. I like the texture, the smell. I was gonna say taste, but I don't think we eat wood. Actually, do we? When you white mineral spirits down on your wood and seeing all that grain pop, there's something amazing about that. When I'm working with wood, I try to do my best. See 130. When I'm working with wood, I try to do my best at making an object that will last for quite a while. I want someone to get it and be pleased with what they're getting, not upset or wishing they could have gotten something better. I want to do my very best the first time, and when they get it, they keep it, and there's no complaints whatsoever. If you get a product from me, please let me know exactly what you thought about it. If there's anything you disliked, I can improve on it. And if you liked it, I have a YouTube channel that I run. The name is Awi Woodworking or Aiden Israel. You can tell about it in the comments. Please subscribe to that channel and like the videos. And if you do get a product from me, I hope you're 100% satisfied with it.